In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom letters in Canva. Whether you're designing a presentation, creating a social media graphic, or just sending out a fun invite, learning to customize text on Canva can really add a unique touch to your projects. Stick with me, and we'll tackle it together step by step. Let's dive right in by opening Canva. You can start a new design project or open an existing one depending on where you are in your creative process. Once you're in your design space, you'll be ready to add some text, which is foundational to customizing letters. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll spot the option labeled Text. Clicking on this opens a whole new set of possibilities for your project. Here, you're presented with options to add a heading, a subheading, or even a smaller text box. This flexibility allows you to tailor your text to match the needs of your specific project. Go ahead and click Add a Text Box. This action will place a blank text box right on your design canvas, and this is your new playground where you can begin bringing your ideas to life. Take a moment to think about what you want to convey with your text. This will guide your subsequent design choices. Type in the text you wish to feature. Whether it's a single letter or a full sentence, it all depends on your creative goals and the context of your project. Now, let's explore the magic of Canva, which lies not just in the text you input, but in how you tailor it to fit your vision. Start by choosing a font style that resonates with your design intention. Click on the currently displayed font, and you'll uncover a vast array of fonts to choose from. Don't rush this step. Fonts can significantly impact how your message is perceived, so take your time finding the perfect one. As you're navigating through these choices, remember the importance of font size. You can easily adjust this by changing the font number. This feature gives you the flexibility to emphasize keywords by making them larger, or to downplay others by reducing their size. Next, let's add some color. Adding a splash of color can truly bring your text to life. To adjust your text color, click on the Text Color button, and you'll be presented with a palette of colors. You can choose from Canva's suggestions or input a specific hex code if you already have a precise color in mind. Now, how about taking it up a notch with some text effects? By clicking on Effects, you'll access a wide selection that can instantly transform the vibe of your text. Whether you want a simple shadow or a more creative effect like neon or glitch, take a little time to explore and see what each effect can do for your letters. Lastly, if you're looking to make your text animate across the screen, click on Animate. Here, you can select from various animation styles that make your text pop with motion. This feature acts as a superb finishing touch, especially for presentations or digital content that benefits from dynamic text. So, there you have it, a thorough walkthrough on making custom letters with Canva. Enjoy experimenting with different fonts, sizes, colors, effects, and animations to create something truly your own. Happy designing!